Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 19th, 2025, and we're diving into Flexsteel's recently released fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025 earnings report. Flexsteel, a leading manufacturer and marketer of residential furniture in the U.S., has shown continued net sales growth and record diluted earnings per share. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Flexsteel's performance this quarter is indeed noteworthy, and I'm excited to delve into the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Flexsteel reported net sales of $114.6 million for the fourth quarter, marking a 3.4% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Flexsteel's growth is primarily driven by higher unit volumes in their soft seating products, despite a slight decline in their Home Styles branded ready-to-assemble products. This marks their seventh consecutive quarter of year-over-year sales growth, which is impressive given the challenging market conditions.
And how about their profitability?
On the profitability front, Flexsteel reported an adjusted operating income of $10.3 million for the quarter, with an adjusted EPS of $1.40. This is a significant improvement from the previous year, reflecting their effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 84 cents for this quarter. Flexsteel, however, reported an adjusted EPS of $1.40. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a clear beat on expectations. The actual adjusted EPS of $1.40 significantly surpasses the forecasted 84 cents, indicating that Flexsteel has outperformed in terms of profitability. This could be attributed to their strategic initiatives and effective cost management, which have enhanced their margins.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Flexsteel's gross margin for the quarter was 23.9%, up from 21.3% last year. What factors contributed to this margin expansion?
The margin expansion is largely due to a favorable foreign currency translation impact, as well as improved operational productivity. Additionally, their SG&A expenses decreased to 15% of net sales, down from 17% last year, which further supports their profitability.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Flexsteel in the coming quarters?
Flexsteel is projecting sales growth of 1% to 6% for the first quarter of fiscal 2026. They are focusing on mitigating risks from tariffs and enhancing their product offerings and customer experience to drive growth. Their strong cash position of $40 million also provides a solid foundation for future investments and strategic initiatives.
CEO commentary and strategic initiatives. CEO Derek Schmidt has been quite optimistic about the company's performance and future prospects. Can you elaborate on his commentary?
Absolutely. Derek Schmidt highlighted the company's 7% sales growth for fiscal year 2025 and the expansion of their adjusted operating margin to 7.1%. He emphasized their strategic focus on new product development, innovation, and market expansion. Additionally, Flexsteel increased their dividend twice in the past year, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
What are the key risks and opportunities that Flexsteel is focusing on?
Tariffs, particularly the 20% tariff on imports from Vietnam, pose a significant risk. However, Flexsteel is actively working on supply chain adjustments and cost-saving initiatives to mitigate these impacts. On the opportunity side, they are investing in high ROI marketing and expanding into new markets to drive growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Flexsteel has delivered a strong performance in fiscal year 2025 with significant sales growth and profitability improvements. Their strategic initiatives and effective cost management have positioned them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Flexsteel's ability to navigate industry challenges and deliver record earnings per share is commendable. Their focus on innovation and market expansion, coupled with a strong financial position, makes them a compelling investment prospect.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Flexsteel's performance in the comments below. Until next time.